Hi, Rana here from Technical SU team per Lemon. Today we'll find the backlink opportunities. With this method, we will find the dead links or broken links. Then we will contact these websites, authors or admins to replace the backlink with a new one. So for this purpose, I am using the Content Explorer feature of the Ahrefs. Just type here your service. For example, I'm offering the SU service. Okay, now go to live and broken and select only broken. Click on the show results. Here you can see I have dental SU expert. Let's open this and click on the referring domains. Here we have the referring domain. Okay, this website is referring or giving the backlink. Let's go to the backlinks. Here you can see, for example, this one or this one, it has a good DR, or this one, it has also a good DR. So let's contact with them. Okay, let's open this. So okay, here you can see someone added the comment or comment based backlink. So you can add also yours on here, or you can just contact this website to replace this because this page has the broken links and it will impact the bad SEO for this website also. So you can also use this one. So let's open this one. The website is not working. So if you are offering another service, just type here. For example, uh, the service is catering. So go to the referring domains and backlinks. Here you can see this website, this website, it has a good domain rating, and here this website has a broken backlink. It's a subway platter. So we can't replace with subway. That's why we are using this one. For example, this timing, then catering menu. Let's check this. Okay, you can see also the page not found. Okay, open the shadow book or another one. For example, this one. It has also the good domain rating and the category manipulators. You can also replace this, or you can find more. Show all backlinks inside Explorer. You can check the lost links actually. Okay, you can just type the competitor URL and find the lost links only. Then you can contact the websites and replace the link by link insertion. So it's the simple method. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.